I want to share with you how to contact Facebook customer support in order to reactivate your ad account or pages. If you are having issues with your Facebook ad account or pages, you can contact Facebook advertisement support directly on a live chat, and the problem will be resolved within few minutes. Now to do so, you have to watch this video tutorial carefully, and also I will give you the link to contact Facebook support to reactivate your ad account. Now what you have to do is, when you copy the link to contact them and paste it on your browser, this page will show up, and then you have to click here. You see, are you an advertiser? Then you have to click on get support. Now when you visit the Facebook business advertisement support page, the next thing you do is to click on get support. Click on get support. As you can see, this is your live chat. You can see wait time 3 minutes. Now click on chat button, and now on here you have to can see the informations. We are here to answer any questions you may have. To best assist you, please ensure your Facebook profile is set to the language you would like to receive support in. Once you have confirmed your language, fill out the form below, and the information will be passed to Facebook support. Now you can hear name. You should enter the name on your Facebook profile. What is your preferred phone number? You have to write any of your phone number, but the number should be valid number. Email address. You need to put your email address. You select your email address here, or if the email address you want them to reach out to you is different one, you can add a new different email address here. Now, but I'm using this one already. I have selected the email address they will use to contact me. You put a different email address. And now, what is your relationship to this business? Now you can choose I own this business. Are you following up an existing case? You choose no, this is a new issue. Or if you have contacted them before, you can tick yes, as you are following an existing case. Which case are you following up? If you choose yes, you can select the case you are following up. But if you choose no, the option, you don't have to choose any option. Now, what is your, are you following? Tick no. What is your question about? Ad account revenue issues, ad policy or disapproved ads inquiries, billing, COVID-19, Facebook business suit, pages, reporting, and inside. Now, because if you have to know the issues you want to contact them. If you are contacting them based on your ad account, ad issues, choose ad. If it is about disapproved ad, you can choose this. You choose this one. Now, add account ID. You have to go back to your Facebook ad manager to copy out your ad ID. You will have to paste it here. How to find your ad account ID? You can follow this link if you don't know how to get your ad ID. What is your question about? My ad account was disabled. Now, Instagram account handle option. This one is option. Now you have to type title. Let me use this title. Add account reactivation. Description. This one is optional, so you tick start chat. Okay, you need to put your ad account ID here before it will work. And here, add account ID. You must put your ad account ID. If you don't know how to get your account ID, you can search. You can watch my YouTube. You can watch my tutorial concerning on how to get account ID. Now I have to paste my account ID here. Put your account ID here. Now I will put now add account ID. Put your account ID here. Down the box, then scroll down and submit. You can write description. Let me write the description, but this one is optional. I want my ad account reactivated. You click on start chat. Click on the start chat. Then it will take you to Facebook Messenger. That is where the live chat. That is where you will communicate with the Facebook support, Facebook business support directly. They will ask you all the problem you are having concerning your Facebook account, Facebook ad, Facebook pages, any issue you have on Facebook. You can let them know and they will solve the issue for you. Now, as you can see, within few minutes they have contacted me. Within few seconds, hi Chikadibe, thank you for contacting Facebook support. My name is, you can see they have contacted me. Now I have to explain to them the reason for contacting them. That is, now you have to explain to them the reason of the problems you are having with your other account, and they will help you resolve it immediately. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.